he is selling on the jump, and use your profits to buy something else. Bitcoin. Joining us now, Sound Planning Group CEO David Stryzewski. David, Bitcoin is up 5% right now. It's having a really solid day. It's back above not just $90,000, but $91,000. So it's getting more expensive. You're saying buy it here?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I think everyone, back when it was 60, they were saying, hey, is this the time to buy? And they were asking back at 20, too. And so, of course, the answer is yes right now. We're in a time where liquidity in Bitcoin is not actually even understood at this time. But, you know, I was buying back in speculation. Everyone today, including governments and our federal government right now, is talking about things from an integration standpoint. And so this is a very big deal. Sell the rips and buy the dips there in Bitcoin.
Okay, sell the rips, buy the dips. Is that the only crypto you like, or are there others in there that you think have a real opportunity for people?
You know, there's a lot of coins right now in crypto.
Thousands.
So, yeah, exactly.
You got to be careful.
Very careful. In fact, this is, you know, a lot of speculation. You know, so there's a couple of coins that I really enjoy right now. XRP is really important. Cardano and ADA is another one that's very important. I don't think a lot of people really even know about. Solana is a very important coin with the NFTs, lower cost ways of transacting and doing things. But ultimately, the world is moving towards real world tokenized assets. And so whether we're talking gold, silver, real estate, mortgages, this is where everything's moving right now. And so if we look at this more as the algorithms of the future, as opposed to trying to look at this as, is this the next form of money, then I think that we're going to have a better understanding of where we are.
Okay, so, and you know, listen, there are always other options when it comes to coins, and we're talking about gold, for example, and you're not saying buy the numismatics at the moment, but
right.
Van Eck Jr. miners, gold hitting another record, crossing 3,300, 3,400, 3,500. There's that fear trade, or that safe haven desire is still there, isn't it?
Oh, it's massive. And by the way, if you look at the gold to silver ratio, 104 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. So I love where gold's going. I think it's going to continue to rise, but pay attention to silver. It's literally at a 40% discount right now to its all-time high of $50. That right now is a gift, and we don't see gold to silver ratios like this very often. In fact, only 3 times in the modern history.
You know, it's interesting, as the market really inflates here, we've got the Dow up 1,035 points. Gold, which had been in the green, is now down just about 36 bucks or 1%. No big thing. It's at 3,387 a troy ounce, but kind of interesting to see that on any given day, the market is bold or retreating. So we got a lot of econo data coming out in the next couple of days. Is there one piece of it, whether it is the Beige Book tomorrow or first-time jobless claims Thursday, consumer sentiment final for April on Friday, that you're watching?
Yes, all of it. Every little bit of it is important right now. These headlines are big. We're going to see a lot more volatility, at least in the short run. I think we're positioned extremely well here for the future.
David, lovely to have you. And guess what? All 3 major indices are up enough to wipe out